Here's how to connect your Samsung Watch to Strava in 2025. Step 1. Open up the Galaxy Store right on your watch, search for Strava, and hit install. Once it's installed, launch the app from your wrist. Now, Strava will show you a 4-digit code and tell you to visit a special URL on your phone. Just type in that code, sign into your Strava account, and authorize the connection. Boom, your watch is now linked to Strava. From here, you can start tracking your workouts directly on the watch. Just choose your activity, running, cycling, whatever you're doing. Wait a couple of seconds for GPS to lock and then hit start. You can pause or finish the workout by swiping or using the buttons. If you dive into the settings, you'll find extras like auto pause, distance units, and lap splits that you can tweak however you like. And here's a bonus tip. You can also connect Samsung Health directly to Strava. Open the Samsung Health app on your phone, tap the 3-dot menu, go into Settings, Connected Services, and toggle on Strava. Sign in, authorize, and now your data flows automatically between the two apps. No watch app needed. And that's it. You're ready to track, sync, and smash your workouts with Samsung Watch plus Strava. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll catch you in the next